Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open BMW X3 sunroof step by step. Press the sunroof button once to tilt, press and hold to slide fully open, and release when desired. If the sunroof does not respond, cycle the ignition off and on, then retry. Always keep hands and objects clear of the moving panel and track to avoid damage. Locate the multifunction switch and feel for distinct detents for tilt and slide actions. Tilt gives gentle airflow while slide opens for a full view and ventilation. One-touch openings are handy for quick air, while hold to stop gives precise positioning. If resistance or noise appears, stop and inspect the track for debris or damage before continuing to protect the mechanism. Thanks for watching so far, and if this guide helped, please subscribe and like for more car tips. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. See the description for the link and other deals that help me make these videos. I use a casual sock joke to keep things light, and now let's get back to the video. If the sunroof is sluggish, first check the fuse and electrical connections under the glove box. Clean the drains and tracks with compressed air and a soft brush to remove dirt that can impede movement. For electronic resets, consult your owner's guide and avoid forcing the motor to prevent expensive repairs. Regular inspection and gentle lubrication of seals keeps the sunroof operating smoothly and reduces the chance of leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.